Hello everyone. In this video episode, we shall discuss about the free alternatives onto your Linux machines for screencasting services like we do have onto the Screencast-O-Matic, like we have onto the Windows machines. So for Windows and Mac, we have pretty much every available software, but in the Linux community, we find the absence of very much basic utilities which are helpful for our day-to-day activities. So I'm going to show you a few alternatives for these kind of work where we require a lot of screen recordings and we need to share them with the teams as well. So if you are a working professional and you require a lot of screen recordings to be shared among the teams that you work with, so the sharing feature via a cloud link will be very much handy. So if you can see onto the screen, we have Screencast-O-Matic, but Screencast-O-Matic is only available on Windows and Mac. Okay, and if you try for the sync option onto a different solution, like we do have Screencastify, but with Screencastify we don't have the amount of features that we require in any screencasting software. So if you can see, this is just a browser based screen recording service. Once you click on the add on Chrome button, it will navigate to this page, which is Screencastify. So here you have to add to the Chrome, and the steps are pretty much straightforward. And if you can see here, when I click on the plugin icon onto the top navbar, you can see it only limits us to a 5 minute limit per video, and if you want more than that, we should have an upgraded account for this. So this plugin won't be very much handy onto a day-to-day activities where our recordings might range from 10 to 15 minutes of time. But in Screencast-O-Matic also we don't have the support for Linux, so these both are out of the league for us. And if you want a standalone screen recording service onto your Linux machine, we do have browser based. Also we have the standalone applications, like we have Chasm and OBS, Simple Screen Recorder, Voco Screen NG, and pretty much everything. But these requires storage, and you have to again separately upload to the team Google Drive or whatever you use. But recently I have come across this Screen Rec software, which is helpful and also supports Linux OS out of the box, and there is no workaround here. Just few terminal codes, just copy to the clipboard and add to your terminal. That's it. So if you can see, it will ask for us the password, and done. We are done with this. Just now you have to use the sudo apt update and install the sudo apt install screenrec. Sudo apt install screenrec, and that's it. As you can see, currently I already have installed onto my PC. It is not again installing the software. So it will be onto your menu list. Just open the Screen Rec service, and here it enlists all the features that it provides. So this software has a 2 GB of cloud storage, so we can show you that. So currently, let's go to the home page of this software, and here it says available for Windows and Linux. So I think I have seen it somewhere. Alright, anyhow, it gives 2 GB of storage for you. So there will be no watermark. We can have unlimited recordings, and there is no limit on the time as well. Once you log in with your account, select your microphone if you are going to record your voice, and you want your screen system audio as well, then you can toggle this switch icon. And this is a very much handy tool, instant share link. If you turn this on, once the recording is done, immediately the shareable link will be copied to your clipboard. So to start or stop the capture, the default hotkey is Alt plus yes. So let's do this. Once you open up the Screen Rec service, as a short floating panel will be available. Just click on this, or you can use Alt S. So currently I'm clicking on Alt S or this button, and select the area by dragging the cursor, and now your recording is live. So whatever is on the screen will be recorded. Okay, and I shall show you the recording as well in a moment. Let's try this once again. As you can see, the recording was successful, and let's try this again. I think there is some problem. I don't know why it's not currently opening up, but it was working fine for me until now. Yes, the recording service is now live. You can see the timer has been started, and the option for mic and system sound is also available here. Once you're done with your recording, just click on this stop button or Alt S. So whatever is available onto the screen will be recorded in the rectangle box available here. So currently it is 30 seconds down the line, and I'm clicking the stop button. Now as you can see, the recording service was started and it was uploaded, and currently we have it copied to our clipboard, and this is the shareable link that we have. Just open it onto your browser, and you can see the 30 seconds video recording is now available. So I'm having this mic glitch, but the recording service was very much smooth. The screen is also very much clear here. So that is how I use for my day-to-day activities. I require lots of sharing screencasts with my team, so I use this plugin like every day, each and every day. Thank you guys, thank you for watching this YouTube episode, and let's catch up in another. So until then, please click on the subscribe button and the notification icon for future updates. Thank you.